G'day guys, if you're new here, welcome and howdy. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're old here, welcome and howdy. Moment of silence for the haters, that's enough. Okay, today is a unboxing and review for a company that I'm not sponsored, affiliated. I didn't receive these. I paid out of my own pocket for all this, so you know my review will be fair and honest, because I'm not sponsored. They ain't paid me. They ain't sent me anything. I found out about them from Color My World, where she unboxed from here, and I had never heard of them until I saw it on her channel. So let's get it done. I'm reviewing products from Stationery Pal. And this, I did not order a big haul until I, knew the quality and the company and all that. But this is the box. It's nice and sturdy and thick. She's thick. Look at that. I'm gonna have to turn it though so I can. Okay. We have a thank you card. And on the back, somebody has handwritten my name, Nice Touch. That makes it personal. And they have QR codes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Now I will say this company ships out of China, so it will take it a little bit to get to you. Oh, look at the bear. The bear sticker. Oh, the stickers. Oh, that's cute. I did not order the bear. I guess he just... Oh my god, he's so cute. He's so fluffy. That is... Oh, that's cute. Okay, what did I order? I ordered this as a desktop... little desktop storage thing. You can throw your little bits and pieces like your erasers and all that in here. They have one that's just a single compartment, and then they have this one which is a double. I like that. All my loose erasers, and it's sturdy. It's plastic, but it's sturdy. Yeah. Washi tape. This is in the design of like graph paper. I can go through some washi tape. Yeah. This looks like some good quality in the washi tape too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is some good quality washi tape. What can I stick it to? Look at here. And you just peel it off. Yep. It's sticky. Okay, so I'm gonna put my washi tape in this little organizer thing. Put it in there. Now, get rid of the floof. These are sticky memos. They stick to whatever I want it to stick to. It's a weekly plan thing. I'm always forgetting things, or forget to do things, and this will come in handy because I can stick it on, right on it, stick it on the fridge, and I know what I've got to do. And this is, it's just a tablet. It's a daily schedule. I have a checklist. I have memos. I have my AM to PM. This coming here, I'm a diabetic too, so keeping track of blood sugars when I take it, you all know, it's a daily schedule, and it's a good thick pad. Next I see is Pentel high polymer eraser. Now, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but all my metallic pencils, mechanical pencils are Pentel. I love Pentel. I don't make no bones about it. I like them. We'll be checking it out. Now let me tell you about the price. Alright. The price is, I didn't pay over $1 for any of these. This is it's a rotating ruler. You've got your centimeters, and I wish they were in inches, but they're not. That's okay. I ain't worried about that. I like this. It's got places you can draw ovals, circles, lines, straight lines. Yeah, this, you know, these circles here are good for making bokeh backgrounds. And, there's a, I'll put this stuff back in here. Let me get this stuff out of the way right now. You know what this reminds me of? You know, back in grade school when we had our school supplies, we had a box that we put our we put our crayons and our pencils in. They were just like this, made just like this box. Does anybody else remember that, or am I just too old? But yeah, our school supply box. That's what this reminds me of. The same. Yeah, we used to, and we'd keep it in our desk. Yeah, I remember those days. I don't know if anybody else does, but I do. Now, the circle maker. Let me do it where y'all will be able to see it. Now, we have, let me get my, where did I put it? Where to put it? Right there. I'm going to do this on black so y'all can see it. It does ovals, it does straight lines, and it's got this little, I don't know what shape you call that, but, and then you can turn it and put more beside it, like so. Well, I moved it, but anyway, y'all get the, and these, it's got, tiny one. This is what I'm talking about, bokeh backgrounds. That make your life a lot easier. And I do love this. Oh man, I love this so much. But yeah, it's just a rotating ruler. Like I said, I wished it was in inches instead of centimeters, but I ain't complaining. I love this thing. I'm gonna quit playing with it. Alright, I'm done. Yeah, I'll stop. Okay, let's try the eraser. Okay. We gonna need a pencil. Let's get a pencil. Alright. We're gonna do heavy. Look here. We're gonna make heavy pencil mark, medium pencil mark, light pencil mark. Let's see how she do. This is the heavy mark. Ooh, that's good. There's the medium and the light. It does good. I expect that from Pentel. They are They make quality stuff, and like I said, all my mechanical pencils are Pentels, and I have three, and they're '05, '07, and '09, and I just love Pentel. And like I said, all these things, I didn't pay over $1 for any of them. And I didn't make a big haul because I had never heard of them till I seen it on Color My World, Miss Lori. And I would have made a bigger haul had I known the quality, and the company is, you know, Pentel. You can get quality stuff on there. But like I said, I didn't pay over $1 for any of this. And I will be ordering from them again. I'm going to give them a 9.5 out of 10. I would have given a 10 out of 10, but it took 2 weeks to get here. But, you know, they ship out of China, so I just love this, love it all. So that's my review for Stationery Pal. If you go to Color My World's channel where she's doing this, there's she has a coupon code that you can use to get so much off of your purchase. And I may link that in the description box. Yeah, I love this company. You know, but you know, beware that it does take a little while to get to you because they are shipping out of China. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff on there that I want, that I just limited myself to these items because, like I said, none of it was over $1. And yeah. So that's my review for Stationery Pal. I will be ordering from them again. Like I said, 9.5 out of 10. And if you do order, just know that it's going to take about 2 weeks to get to you because it is from China. But I don't have nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to get off here. I'm going to tell y'all I love you. Peace out. Bye.